Beautiful lake views here from this Lake Saratoga furnished pool home. This 3-bed, 2-bath home with 1,607 square feet features a real wood-burning fireplace surrounded by brick and living room, family room, dining area and master bedroom with sliding glass doors to oversized screen lanai with in-ground pool overlooking lake. Rear fenced yard and concrete with brick boat dock. Roof new 2019, garage door new 2012. Fishing, boating, jet ski or kayak right from your own backyard. Lake Saratoga is one of Cape Coral's largest lake with access to other lakes and canal systems. Directly across the lake is Lake Saratoga Park and nearby is Sunsplash Water Park, Lake Kennedy Community Park, Cape Coral Charter School, shopping and more.